Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna tell you how you can change the orientation of your video in Camtasia software. So let's get started. First of all, click on the import media icon and choose the video which you want to change the orientation. Now drag the video to your timeline. Go to the rotation settings and set the value of Z to -90 degree and hit the enter button. Set your video overlay to fit entire screen, and that's all. So that's all for today guys. See you soon in the next video.